This is Josh from Wohler Equipment. Today we're taking a look at a John Deere 320G. This is a 2024 model, all loaded out, joystick controls. We've got the reversing fan back here on their engine. 2,000 pound lift. I'm gonna have to double check the horsepower. I'm gonna drop it right here though. We've got 2,100 hours on this machine. Very, very clean, one owner machine. All loaded out. Like I say, we've got our power quick attach here. We've got our electrical attachments there next to our hydraulic auxiliaries. In the cab, we've got a cloth heated air ride seat. We've got joysticks, we've got foot control, push button start, backup camera, deluxe display, radio, heat, air conditioning. It's pretty much got it all.